am very disappointed with Takealot. Hey buddies, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, hey, hi, welcome to the family. If you're returning Sabi, thank you for stopping back by. So do remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share your thoughts in the comments section below, and also do remember to hit that notification bell so to be notified of our future upload. So today's video is just gonna be a short video about my experience with shopping online with Takealot. So on my last vlog I did mention that after vlogging for the first time, or after my first vlogging experience, I actually realized that I needed a few things, which included a mini tripod, so to be able to hold my phone or my camera depending on what I'll be using for vlogging. And I also mentioned that I needed a mic. So I did say I made that order the very same day, which was the 31st of July on Takealot. So let me start explaining my Takealot ordering experience. So I actually just downloaded the app on my phone, searched for the things I wanted. The app is like very clean, straightforward. You just search for what you're looking for, and yeah, just that, search what you're looking for, put on your card. After putting on your card, you just put your details, make an order, and they send you your order number or your tracking number. That is how simple ordering on Takealot for me was. Then, as I said, I made that order on the 31st of July. I then received the order on the 10th of August, which was very convenient because it took about 5 working days, to be exact, 5 working days for them to deliver my order, which is fine. But then, I won't lie, as easy and as straightforward I can say my ordering process was, but I am very disappointed with Takealot. Like, I'm very disappointed, guys, very disappointed. Let me explain why. Firstly, the tripod was supposed to come with 3 things, which was the phone mount, a microphone mount, and I can't remember the 3rd thing, but I think it was a webcam mount, if I remember correctly. But then what I received was the very same tripod I ordered, but it didn't come with the smartphone mount. Secondly, the Bluetooth remote camera shutter was connecting but not working. I went like, okay, at first when I was testing it, when I realized it was not working, I just went to a few like YouTube videos to see if it's my settings, my phone, or it was just me who was failing to use it, only to find out the very same thing that was done on all of the videos was the very same thing I did, and the very same thing that was on that manual. But then it wasn't working. Well, as it wasn't working, I was like, okay, fine, I will try it tomorrow. Maybe it's just me being overexcited. Then I did the second day. I then tried it again, used different phones because I was so convinced that maybe it might be my phone. But still, I also tried it with my camera. It was still not working. So it was like one order with 2 faults. When I thought that was the least of my problems, I then like went back to the website so I can able to log a complaint so I can exchange the things that were faulty with my order. When I log both complaints of the tripod and the Bluetooth shutter, then they sent me an email, actually several emails. One of the emails was for me to take, it gave me instruction to take like a pic of the product, a clear pic of the product and a clear pic of the barcode. And also on that very same email, I was told that so they can able to like investigate what went wrong and how I should just send back everything, as in like everything, the whole order. As I was sending like the barcodes and the exact pics, that's then when I realized that the mic didn't have a barcode. So I was then I had to just send, like, take a pic of the two which had the barcodes and send via email. So I don't know if it's me or if it's just bad luck. Like, after checking so many reviews about Takealot, like most of them was like clear positive on how their experience or how good their experience was. But then my first experience happened to be just a nightmare. Well, for me, happened to be just a nightmare. Firstly, one of the things I ordered didn't have the barcode, in which I was even asked via email to take clear pics of the products and the barcode. The other one didn't have a barcode. I don't know like what will happen since I'm sending it back, since it doesn't have a barcode. I don't know. The other two also had faults. One wasn't working, the other was missing something. So like, I cannot really say my first experience was good or anything. Like, my first experience was just a nightmare for me, a simple nightmare for me. So the only thing I can say was good is just that the order came in time. The ordering experience was very simple and clear, straightforward. But the package I got had a lot of it, in which I am retaining. So I'll then update you after retaining it for what happens next, like we'll see what will happen next. So yeah, that's just my experience with Takealot. Oh, by the way, I know I said my first experience, but there was a video in which I told you that I once did an order on Takealot. Yes, as much as I said I once did an order on Takealot, I didn't like exactly do the order on myself. I was just living with a friend who was usually using the online app to order on Takealot. I was like, okay friend, just add me add me this, I'll pay for it. And yeah, so I didn't like do that order like myself. So that's why I'm saying it's my first experience. So yeah, let's not have confusion there. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I will update you on what will happen next. I was just sharing my experience, that I don't know if it's just being different or it was just my bad luck. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on my next upload.